Welcome to our comparison video where we will be diving into the features and specifications of two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver chewable nugget ice, but which one is truly the best for your home or office? Let's find out. When it comes to ice production, the Electactic Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 34 pounds of ice per day, while the Nugget Ice Maker slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 35 pounds per day. Both machines are designed for quick ice making, with a first batch time of just 7 minutes, making them ideal for parties and gatherings. Both ice makers come equipped with a self-cleaning function, which is a significant advantage for users looking for convenience. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that the machines remain hygienic and ready for use at all times. Additionally, both models produce chewable nugget ice, making them perfect for a variety of beverages. In terms of design, both the Electactic and Nugget ice makers feature a sleek and modern aesthetic that fits well in any kitchen or office setting. Their compact dimensions make them easy to place on countertops without taking up too much space. Additionally, they both operate quietly at 43 decibels, ensuring they won't disrupt your environment while in use. In conclusion, both the Electactic Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker offer impressive features and performance. With similar ice production capabilities and self-cleaning functions, your choice may ultimately come down to personal preference in design and brand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.